Welcome again to my tutorial video today on how you can easily withdraw your funds from your Binance to your MEXC to your Bybit. I just want to show you guys step-by-step strategy. How can you withdraw your money using either fiat currency, either crypto from your Binance account step by step. Try to like this video, share this video to all your friends. Let other people know on how they can withdraw their money from their Binance account into any exchange you have. All right, maybe your account can be like this. How can you get to this area? Let me show you. When you first log in on your web browser, it can be like this. How can you come to this particular area? Just come to this area. Come to this area. Can you see? It will now bring you to your main dashboard. Try to like this video and share this video and comment below. Let me know which country are you watching this video from on the comment section, and use my referral code down below to register with Binance to get your first deposit bonus once you start trading on the Binance. All right. So right now, let me just show you guys on how you can easily withdraw your funds. It's very simple and easy strategy right now in this particular video. So if you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw in many ways. Once you are on your dashboard like this, just make sure to click on this withdrawal button, this area, withdrawal button here. So when you click on that withdrawal button, you can withdraw your Bitcoin, whatever any asset you have, either Bitcoin, either whatever one you want, you can easily but right now I just want to withdraw what you can withdraw. Let's say I have USDT. You just type in, can you see this is, I have USDT. All right, this is the USDT. Then what is the wallet address you want to withdraw to? Let me just go to my to my Bybit right now. This is my Bybit. If you don't have account on Bybit, make sure you use the link below to register with Bybit. It's very legitimate exchange, and it's very regulated among the exchange around the world. So if you want to get your Bybit address, let's say you want to withdraw from your Binance into your Bybit, all what you need to do, just come to this area to get access to your dashboard, that area. All right, just make sure to allow. Then you can see if you want to deposit, you just come to this particular area, click on this deposit icon here. You can deposit via P2P. You can use crypto. I want to use crypto because I want to withdraw from my Binance into my Bybit. So I want to withdraw, I want to deposit USDT, sorry. Then I prefer to use BEP20 network. You can use any network of your choice. All right, confirm. You can use either, you can use, let me show you, Ethereum, Tron network, Arbitrum, Avas, many exchange, many network is here. You can use BEP20 network, TRS, Arbitrum. Let me just use BEP20. It's very fast and cheap. I will just copy this particular wallet address right now. So let me just go to my Binance right now. I'll just try to paste this particular wallet address into my Binance right now. All right. So right now I have already pasted this particular wallet address of BEP20. I'll try to come to this area where select network. I'll try to use, BSC network, BSC. All right. I've already tried to select BEP20 network as my preferable. All right, BEP20 network. I will just click on this. I can click on max, or I can just, let's say I want to withdraw $50 from my account to Bybit. I'll just say withdraw right now. I'll not click on this withdraw button. I'll not click on confirm right now. So I will need to just make sure to click on continue button to put all my, or cancel this one. I'll click on this, it's not available. I'll try to use our authenticator app. I will use my email to confirm I'm the one that is withdrawing from my Binance to my Bybit. So this is very simple, and you can do that step by step. You can withdraw your Bitcoin, you can withdraw your any coin you have there into any other exchange. So guys, this is a very simple way. I'm just showing a tutorial on how you can do it step by step on this particular video. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to all your friends, your family, for them to know on how they can easily withdraw their funds from the Binance to their preferable exchange like Bybit, wherever exchange you have. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Let me know which country are you watching from on the comment section, and use my referral code down below to register with Binance step by step. In my next comment video, I'll show you how can you start trading on your spot trading on spot on the Binance in my next comment video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.